Welcome. My name is Joe Agoda, and I'm the CEO here at Sostento. We're a 501c3 nonprofit with a mission to help frontline healthcare workers save lives. We've been working tirelessly since the beginning of the pandemic to increase access to life-saving COVID care for families living below the poverty line. It's really been exhausting work, but totally meaningful. This year, our work has been taken to a whole new level thanks to the support of HRSA. Funding provided by HRSA has allowed us to create an amazing impact and increase access to the COVID vaccine in communities across America. What I want to do is let you hear a little bit more about that impact and what we've achieved through the project through the Sostento team themselves. So sit back and take a listen.
Thanks to HRSA, Sostento has been able to provide critical support to 85 free and charitable clinics on the front lines of the pandemic response.
We've distributed some awards to clinics totaling $4 million, with 100% of those funds going towards workers doing vaccine outreach and administration.
This funding is providing resourcing for over 200 community health workers who are out in their communities battling misinformation and providing education on the vaccine.
From hosting outreach events to running education campaigns online, our network of clinics are building new, lasting relationships in their communities.
Our clinics serve rural, urban, and suburban areas covering a wide range of racial and ethnic minority communities in 16 states and 600 different zip codes.
All of the clinics are united with Sostento to serve families living below the poverty line, and together we represent the amazing diversity of our country.
The free and charitable clinics in our program are all nonprofit. They're run through donations and through volunteers, and this pandemic has stretched them like never before.
HRSA nos dio la oportunidad para crecer la capacidad administrativa de las clínicas y ponerles en posición para crecer y servir muchísimas más miembros de sus comunidades.
Our team has been innovating new ways to increase vaccine access by designing approaches that dismantle barriers faced by marginalized populations.
For example, our free COVID helplines, where clinic volunteers working from home answer calls to assist individuals in getting vaccine education and scheduling appointments. To date, Sostento has answered over 120,000 calls for help.
So we are using rideshare technology to eliminate transportation barriers and make it easier for those who don't have a car or access to reliable public transit to reach their clinics and make it to their appointments. We're very proud to say that to date we've delivered over 5,500 free rides with our clinic partners.
And rides aren't just for patients. Clinic staff and volunteers also use these free rides to do outreach and home-based vaccinations.
We built our own data to allow health workers to collect information on who they are vaccinating and why those individuals decided to get vaccinated.
We provide data collection training and technical support to our clinic network. And to date, they have submitted over 10,000 reports on their vaccination and outreach efforts.
The data collected by our clinics feed into Sostento's real-time dashboard, which gives us the ability to see what's happening across our network and pull out insights and national trends that help us focus our efforts.
Our data dashboard, combined with interviews from our frontline healthcare workers, allow us to tell powerful impact stories about the free and charitable clinics.
The past 2+ years have been unprecedented in the history of public health here in the United States and the world. I am so grateful to have worked side by side with my Sostento teammates and utilized this amazing opportunity to work with HRSA to help so many people. On behalf of Sostento, the clinics, the frontline health workers, and of course, most of all, the individuals who have gained access to life-saving care like the COVID-19 vaccine, I want to say thank you, HRSA. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving us this opportunity to show what we can do when we join together and take on a threat like COVID.